so far it's been pretty relaxing. Cut up some firewood, started a fire, and then made a nice dinner. We got this steak and potatoes. Charlie's got some kibble, and we'll just kind of hang out tonight and tell you a little bit about it. So when we first rolled in, after I got the awning set up, and you guys saw that water otter out there in the water, that was really cool to see that. He came right up to us. I couldn't film it because Charlie started growling, but she's a good watchdog. And then just after that, I started chopping some wood, back to building the fire and everything. And then we just saw, like, we heard a bunch of water movement coming down, and it was getting closer and closer. The water was getting louder and louder, and it was just slushing around. And I'm like, what is that? So I grabbed the camera real quick. I was in the moment of when I was first starting the fire. And I went over there and I looked, what is that? And it was a doe. Nice size, probably about 100 pounds of meat on it, right over here, just running through the middle of the creek here. And she saw me and then cut to the right and then jumped over that fence. I think I got it on the footage, but that was pretty cool. And then on the way here, we actually saw a bobcat with a snake in its mouth run across the street from one orchard to another. That was pretty wild. And of course I didn't get that on film, but I wanted to share that with you tonight. And I'm just letting my steak here relax for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to start eating. Charlie, she's really hungry. I think I'm gonna give her a couple pieces of steak with her kibble tonight. And then I've got this beer. It's California 99 Golden Ale, made in the valley. So that's pretty nice. Check it out. Pretty cool. Haven't had this one yet, so I figured I'd try it. Not bad. That's actually pretty good. You hungry, Charlie? So I'm going to eat this really nice meal, and then we'll hang out by the fire, finish our beer as well, and then get ready for bed. I have a new light that we're gonna set up in the tent, and I'll share that with you. And then stick around for breakfast, because I'm gonna be doing like a Heuvos Rancheros Middle Eastern cross between breakfast. So I'm really excited about breakfast in the morning. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this. Potato, steak, juice. That's good. Potatoes, excellent. Ooh, hot. Charlie and I were getting ready to go to bed. We had a delicious dinner and a great time with you guys. I just wanted to share with you this light that I got for about 10 bucks on Amazon. and it hangs on this string. It's pretty cool. It's by Onite, I believe, and it provides a ton of light. It's got a hook on it, and that's my little toy for this camping trip that I picked up for the tent. I really enjoy it. It's got a really long cable. I've had it on for about an hour already, and it's still bright. It's got a switch on it. I can turn it on and off. And then the other thing I picked up was this 50K milliamp solar power bank. So it's got a solar panel, and it's got some LED light in the front. It's got 4 ports so I can charge my phones. It's got a C-type port for the iPhone and 4 USB ports, and you can pull about 3 or 4 amps on it. So that's what's great about the LED light for the tent. And it's small and compact, and it really does provide a lot of power. And I think it's perfect for up here. I don't have to bring up my big power banks to have light up here. And I can also charge my cell phones, laptop, things like that with it. So yeah, the screen looks like it's a little crooked right now, so I hope you guys are okay with that. But we just got done making our bed, and been hearing a little bit of creepy noises out there, but I think we'll be okay. I'll let you guys know in the morning. So we're gonna have a good night and go to bed. Have a good night. All right, so I've got everything ready for breakfast. We're gonna start cutting up some peppers, tomatoes. I've got some onion, and then I've got some eggs set aside. And I've also got some duck sausage that I saved from last hunting season that we'll be adding to this as well. So I'm really excited about today's breakfast. It's been hot and cold all morning long. Been working on getting this fire going. The wood is still a little bit wet, so you can hear it sizzling a little bit. But yeah, other than that, we had a very spectacular show this morning with that river otter. You don't really see those too often, and this must be the area where he lives. And he was pretty active. That was really fun to see. But we're hungry now, so let's get it going. And I've got 2 of these duck sausages. They're already cooked, but I figured we'll just go ahead and heat them up and throw them in there and add some flavor to it. Alright, so I've got some olive oil on this pan. We're just going to go ahead and heat that up real nice, get it sizzling. As you can see, I've kind of moved the fire over to this side back there. But once the oil's ready, we'll go ahead and start putting on our onions and tomatoes. And start with the tomatoes. Whew, that was a little too hot. Add some water. I'm going to throw in some chili parsley. I like a little spice on it, even though the duck sausage should add quite a bit of flavor. And then just regular garlic salt. Our breakfast is done. I'm going to move it over to the table, let it cool for a minute, and kind of fix up this fire. And this food smells so good. I'm going to have to take a bite real quick. Amazing. Let's try some of this with this egg. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, so Charlie and I are ready to do the giveaway. We have my phone right here, and it has the app for the random picker. So all I have to do is copy the link right into this bar right here and push paste. So I have the link to the video, and what that'll do is I have to select some things. Filter duplicate users, yes. Include replies to comments, no. Filter comments based on specific text, no, because I just allowed everyone in the comments to enter. And then exclude blacklist users, I don't know what that is. Add extra entries, we don't know what that is. Remove winner from the list draw. Okay, so what I can do is show all the random names, yes. And then I have this little 1 plus 3 equals 4 math problem, maybe because they think I'm a robot. And then I am ready to hit YouTube comments, but I'm gonna go ahead and bring you closer in so you guys can see the phone closer. Here is the app, and basically I just drop the link in, put filter duplicate users, show all the names, and then we're gonna go ahead and start it right now. So there's gonna be 17 of you guys all together, and we'll go ahead and hit start. You can see all your guys' names coming up there. Whoa! Brenton Berry. Hey buddy, you won the ATEM Off-Road giveaway and the ATEM Off-Road pack. So you get the soft shackle, these emergency tire valves, P51 or 38 can opener, and the ATEM pack. Brenton and family, congratulations on winning the ATEM pack. I hope you guys really enjoy it. Go ahead and send me your guys' shirt size in the comment box below, and I'll send you guys some shirts as well with this little kit, and we'll hear from you guys soon. I'm gonna go ahead and start packing up. You guys have a good one. We'll see you soon.